Today we're going over how to change the primer bulb in a 2-cycle carburetor. Some of them are going to have 4 screws, some of them will have 2. I've come across 1 or 2 of them that have 3 screws, but they're all the same. You're going to want to take apart only the section that has the primer bulb in it. Be careful not to let the rest of it come apart, and if it does, don't damage any of the gaskets or diaphragms. It's annoying that it takes so long, but don't risk tearing up your carburetor using a screw gun or electric screwdriver, because most of them are made out of soft metal, which means they're very easy to strip the threads out. Go. You just push the bulb out, push the new one in, make sure all of the screws line up where they're supposed to. And there it is.